Hello people, I'm Joshua and this is Rex World. Alright, so in our last video we introduced the forum and what it's all about. We also talked about the putting a pause to the use of drugs as not the only solution to all health issues, which leads to our today's topic, drugs. Drugs is any chemical substance that when taken into the body, it causes a change in the psychological and physiological function of the body, regardless of the part or any part it changes. Now let's dive into the types of drugs, but I'm going to be classifying it based on some laid out outline I personally made through. I'll be saying based on medical use. This is therapeutic use, where the drug is being used to treat a particular illness. There is also preventive types of drugs, where the drugs are mostly for prevention of an illness. Most of the vaccines are categorized under this section. Also a diagnostic drug, where some drugs are used to diagnose some type of illnesses. You can see the contrast media in x-rays. Another type of drugs are based on their sources. We have the natural drugs, where the normal drugs you can get from the nature itself. Let me use the word nature. We also have the synthetic drugs. These are processed drugs, the ones that are manufactured by most pharmaceutical companies. And then we have the semi-synthetic drug. These are drugs like, let me use for instance heroin from morphine. Morphine is a natural drug, but when heroin is extracted from this morphine, it's now semi-synthetic because it's kind of natural but was produced. Another type of drug we'll talk about is based on functions to the body. We have the analgesics. Those drugs are really works on the body via pains. They help reduce pains. There's also stimulants. Those ones are trying to, let's say, increase the normal body function, make you more active. We have the depressants, also hallucinogens and antibiotics. These are based on the functions to the body. So with that being said, we are going to dive into the roots of drug administration. This is how the drugs enters the body. We all know about the normal one. Everybody will I say is normal. Yes, it's normal one, where take through the mouth. We call it oral. These are any drug that passes through the mouth, pass through the throat, the digestive tract, the gastrointestinal tract, oral. Then we also have injections. We have the IV. Under injections, these are less use of needles to pierce particular parts of the body. You can see you've heard about IV intravenous. This is passing the needle through the veins, and there's intramuscular. This is where they puncture through the muscles of the body. There is also subcutaneous. This is under the layer of the skin. Most insulin are given that way. So another routes of this drug, or ways we can take these drugs, are some topical. These are the ones we apply on the body, mostly creams. And there's also inhalation, the one we inhale through our nostrils. Most of our asthmatic inhalers are through that route. We have sublingual, buccal. They use most of the mouth glands, salivary glands, to absorb these drugs into the body. We also have the rectal and vagina. Those are the ones that are inserted. Most drugs used for, would I say, pregnancy during delivery are through this medium. Diclofenac, are used through rectal, vagina, cytotec. You can mention them. And transdermal. If you have an idea of the transdermal, you can feel free to use the comment section, because I think I need more light on that, because it says through patches of the skin. I'm still yet to understand the patches. I've not encountered those. So if you have a vivid explanation on how that is being used, feel free to write it down in the comment section. Also, we going to the last part of this video. We'll talk about the importance of drugs to humanity. Surely you know it is used for, maybe you might not know, but it is used to prevent diseases, it is used to cure diseases, it is also used to stop, relieve pain and comfort. It is used to boost the economy of the states. Let's say pharmaceutical companies producing drugs and we patronizing them, it boosts the economy. Also, it helps in research and knowing more information about drugs. So with that, I think we have done a little brief of what drugs is, and at least you have an idea of what a drug is and how it works in our body. Feel free to follow us on all platforms, give us a thumbs up, share our videos, and subscribe to all our channels on all social media. That would be a very big boost to this platform. With that, I'll see you guys later.